Hello everyone. I am Varuni Goyal. I am a student at Institute of Actuaries of India. Welcome to this presentation on climate change and environmental risk, an actuarial perspective in India. Today, we will explore how actuaries are evolving to meet the challenges of changing climate through data, modeling, and strategic foresights. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's a present day risk affecting every sector. India, with its large geography and socio-economic diversity, ranks among the most vulnerable. In recent years, we have seen more floods, cyclones, droughts, and heat waves. As actuaries, we have a growing responsibility to assess, model, and help mitigate this risk. Climate risks directly shape core actuarial functions: pricing, reserving, investment strategies, and scenario testing. Insurance premiums must adapt to climate triggered risk patterns, while reserve must prepare for rare, high impact events. ESG frameworks now guide investment decisions, and actuaries uses scenario testing to assess solvency under warming pathways. It must bridge climate science with traditional models to stay relevant. In India, in 2023, Himachal Pradesh saw unprecedented monsoon rains, triggering landslides and flash floods. Over 300 lives were lost, and infrastructural damages crossed rupees 10,000 crores. Actuaries plays a key role here, revising risk maps through catastrophe models, updating flood insurance pricing, estimating IBNR claims, and advising on reinsurance treaties in high risk zones. Similarly, in 2019, Chennai in India faced a severe drought. Reservoirs dried up and the city confronted day zero. Urban lives were disrupted. Actuaries can develop parametric products triggered by rainfall thresholds, adjust health insurance pricing in light of disease outbreaks, and model sustainability for water dependent business. Another example, if we talk about, is Cyclone Amphan, one of the India's costliest, struck West Bengal and Odisha in 2020. It led to $13 billion in damages. Actuaries must apply tail risk models, enhance capital adequacy, framework for coastal insurers, and collaborate with reinsurance to improve regional risk assessments. Actuaries use advanced tools to understand climate risk. Catastrophe modeling, ESG stress testing, and climate linked aggregation models help assess exposure. Satellite data adds precision. Collaborations with environmental scientists and geospatial experts boost prediction accuracy, making our models both forward looking and robust. India is ripe for innovation and climate risk. Microinsurance can protect rural livelihoods from floods and crop failure. Urban products must be designed to reflect climate displacement. Public private partnerships can create disaster financing solutions. Actuaries can also position to lead in ESG advisory and sustainable pension planning. The modern actuary goes beyond numbers, integrating environmental and social insights into financial modeling. We anticipate systematic risks from climate disruptions and help shape resilient decision making. This is a chance to be not just technical experts but ethical risk leaders. It's time to embrace innovation, AI, and real time climate data. Actuaries must collaborate across disciplines from engineering and medicines to economics. Ethical risk solutions should promote fairness and transparency. Let's rise to global challenges with courage, curiosity, and responsibility. Let's build a resilient tomorrow together. Thank you for listening.